These are some cowpeas, and check them out. They are growing in the pod. Yeah, they got wet because ants was eating them. Some ants were eating them, and I said, okay, let me put them in some water. Put the pot of peas in water, and yeah, for a while. And then I remember that, hey, I need to take them out before they actually think that I am trying to soften them to cook them. So I took it out, put it in the cup, and this is what turns out to be. Yeah, so yeah, they started sprouting in the cup, especially that it was so dark. So yeah, we're going to be planting them. They are definitely ready to be planted right away.